What's up, guys? This is Inglewood Scale Models. This is my nephew's 63 Impala. I am showing him how to do the foil on his car. Still not complete, but it does take time. Right here. So I wanted to go over the material that we're using. We're using bare metal gold. It comes in a big strip, bigger than this, and then you just cut it with scissors. You apply it to the area that you want. So you'll use a Q-tip and you'll press on it to get the whole trim. Once you get the trim line, you use a blade, you cut it, and you'll end up with something like this. So to remove the excessive, I just bought these tweezer sets. And to hold down, I use these to hold down, and this one to pull the excessive off. For the smaller detail, like the emblems and the handle, I use these liquid gold markers that work pretty fine. We actually used it for the interior too, for the handles and the trim. And that's the closest that we can get to this color, this gold color. I'll be leaving links for the gold markers, the bare metal, the Q-tips, and the tweezers from Amazon. So if you guys would like to purchase any of these items,